Hello, welcome to BSgroup Data Analytics presents XLCubed, the forum from experts for experts. Today, we will take a deeper look at hierarchy navigation in XLCubed. Let's prepare a sample grid for the demonstration. Let's use the calendar hierarchy. A hierarchy is a predefined navigation path for a number of attributes in a certain order. We call this then levels. Each level has its own sorting order. In this case, the date calendar hierarchy contains the calendar year attribute, the calendar semester, calendar quarter, month, and date. And as we can see, every level has its own ordering. Now we can navigate through a hierarchy manually, or we tell the grid which levels and which elements should be displayed. We can clear all drills in a grid using this button, Clear Drills. So, which options do we have in XLCubed to navigate through a hierarchy? We can use children, descendants, lowest descendants, descendants at a certain level, descendants between certain levels. We can use the next, the previous, or we can say take the first child, take the last child, take the same level, take the siblings, take the parent, or the ancestors. We will look at each one of them. Let's play them through. So we have chosen half year 1. Now, when I select half year 1 again, you see that he automatically selects children. Then we can also see the hierarchies. Now I cannot drill up anymore because I told the grid to display me the hierarchy and its children. In this case, I can also tell the system, show me the hierarchy and the descendants, the half year 1 and the descendants. Now I see every descendant, quarter, the month, and the date. I can say, give me the lowest descendants. I want to see half year 1 and the lowest descendants. In this case, the lowest descendant is date. We can say we want to see only months, or just the date, or we say we want to see months to date. No quarter information. We can say give me the next 3 members. Then we see half year 1 and the next 3 half years. In this case, we don't need half year 1 alone because it selected half year 1 and the next 3 members. We can choose the previous 3 members. We can say, give me the siblings. That means on this selection, he gives me the next half year. So we see now half year 1 and half year 2. Let's clear the drills again. Or we can say, give me the same level. In this case, he will display me all semester, all of them. Now we have parent. In this case, parent would be the year. Imagine you have a slicer where you can select the half year and you want to see not only the half year but also the year information. Then it would make sense to make the selection like this when you would have a slicer. Then you would see the year information and the selected slicer half year information. And we have ancestors. Year and all periods. For example, if we would choose month and we would select ancestor, it would give us all levels up. And all levels down. If we want to filter in a hierarchy, we have to make use of member lists. With that, we can control what to display and what not on each level. Let me demonstrate this. For example, we say we want to see the semester level, and now we use member list and we say subtract left side minus right side. And now I can edit this, can tell the system I don't want to see half year 2 of 13, half year 2 of 14 and 15. And this I can do on each level. I can add member list by member list by member list. And can tell the system on every level this one minus this one. And then we can use between that, we can use add and then again subtract. Add and again subtract. One of my favorite features is hide levels. If there is a hierarchy and we don't want to see a level, we can use hide levels feature. For example, let's use another hierarchy. And now we see we have country, state, city and postal code. Now imagine I don't want to see city and postal code. Then I can just go in and tell the system hide levels, and I can just unclick these two. You see, it's not drilling down further. Or I can skip levels. Let's assume we want to skip category. You see, it directly jumps to subcategory and then to the product. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, feel free to like, comment and share. If you don't want to miss any feature, subscribe to our LinkedIn group, BSgroup DR presents XLCubed, or subscribe our blog on our homepage. See you next time, your BSG Data Analytics team.